Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. Till now beta this LIQ part में the previous one video which one I make about the organic chemistry and that one is the name reaction. And this is the last name reaction we are going to do for the organic part because hardly in organic 11 to 12 name reactions are there. And if you see all the name reactions, definitely we are able to attempt one 8 marks in your IP exam and one 4 marks. That is 8 plus 4 12 marks you are able to score from this part. So now today we are going to see about the another name reaction that will be called as what? Esterification. But you know what is meant by ester? When acid react with the alcohol it gives rise to ester. Means we can say directly here esterification means suppose I write here acid beta. This is called as a CH3COOH called as a acetic acid. Acetic acid. But it react with alcohol. Alcohol means already here as a C2H5OH. So we can say that this is called as a ethyl alcohol. And this esterification must take place in presence of acidic medium. Yeah, in presence of acidic medium. H plus ion is there beta. Right, what happened in this case this CH3COO C2H5 CH3COO C2H5. See beta RCOOR we got the ester and remaining one what is that H from here and OH from here it will take out the water molecule. This obtained is called as a what beta ester. Actual name is this one called as a ethyl acetate. Sir we can call it as a ethyl. See beta it is called it as a ethyl acetate. This is called as a ethyl acetate and in general we can call it as a ester. What is the esterification, sir? Formation of ester is called as a esterification. How the ester form here? So we should say when acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol, but acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in presence of acidic medium. But whenever you will see H plus ion, it indicates it is an acidic medium. In presence of acidic medium, it gives ester is called esterification. So first one, formation of ester from acid and alcohol. The process called as a what? Esterification. Right? The second one, name reaction, we will write beta here. Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And one more is there, beta. We can say called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right? First we will see beta Friedel-Crafts alkylation and then we will see Friedel-Crafts acylation. But in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, we are taking here as a benzene ring attached with a OCH3 group called as a anisole, commonly called as a what? Anisole. But these anisole on reacting with what? Methyl chloride, CH3Cl. It on reacting with methyl chloride. But in presence of Lewis acid, and we are using a anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 act as a Lewis acid. But this CH3 will be there, it will attack at the, as it is a donor group, CH3 will attack at the ortho position as well as at the para position. So we are getting the two product. Benzene ring bearing OCH3 plus benzene ring bearing one more OCH3. But in the first case, methyl will attack on this position. Do you know this position called as a ortho? And one more methyl will attack on this position called as a para. Orthomethyl methoxybenzene. Here, this is what I say beta. Orthomethyl. O dash means ortho methyl methoxybenzene. And this is what I say beta para position. Na? So para methyl methoxybenzene. Orthomethyl methoxybenzene, paramethyl methoxybenzene. These are the two products which one we got here. Right? If you want to write the statement, we can write the statement in this way. When, see, I'll write here, beta. When anisole means methoxybenzene reacts with, what is this beta? CH3Cl called as a, it is called as a methyl chloride. Yes, when anisole reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives, but among these one, do you know, para is major and ortho is a minor product was obtained. So while writing the statement, only one name is enough, but it gives as to para methyl methoxy benzene as major product. Enough. If this is a major, obviously in the reaction itself we wrote para ortho methyl methoxy benzene is a minor product. Right, beta? Please take a screenshot. And third one, we'll see Friedel-Crafts acylation, beta. After this Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the one more we will see called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Third one, beta, I am writing here. Friedel-Crafts alkylation over. Now we will see beta here Friedel-Crafts acylation. But in this Friedel-Crafts acylation mein, what we are using, same thing here. Here anisole, here also I will use the anisole. Benzene ring bearing OCH3 group. Sir, this is called as a anisole. But it reacts with methyl chloride here. But in this case, I am going to use CH3COCl. And you know, this is called as a acetyl chloride. Anisole on reacting with what beta? Acetyl chloride. In presence of same AlCl3, that is the anhydrous, and it act as a anhydrous and it act as a Lewis acid. But here acyl part, COCH3 part will attack at the ortho and para position. Right, beta? COCH3 will attack at the ortho and para position. So in the first case, I am having OCH3 here, but now COCH3 will attack on here. That is ortho. Plus another one beta, para part. So benzene ring bearing, it is a OCH3 group, and this COCH3 at the para. Right, beta? This is a ortho, that is a para. But this ortho part which one we wrote, it is called as a ortho methoxy acetophenone. Ortho here, this is a substitute now, but ortho methoxy and acetophenone. Ortho methoxy acetophenone, PHENONE, but it is a minor product. And here it is a para methoxy acetophenone, and sir, this is the major product. This is a minor and this is a major product. Right, beta? If you want to write the statement, we can write here when beta anisole, can we write anisole means directly as a methoxybenzene? So when anisole but it reacts with what? Acetyl chloride. It reacts with acetyl chloride. It gives para methoxy acetophenone as the major product. Is it clear, beta? So till now we saw the three reactions here. The first one is the esterification, formation of ester. But how the ester can be formed? When acid react with alcohol in presence of acidic medium, it gives rise to ester and water. Formation of ester is called as a esterification. But a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, addition of alkyl halide, that is CH3Cl in anisole. Friedel-Crafts acylation, addition of acetyl chloride in beta anisole. In both the cases, anhydrous AlCl3 which act as a Lewis acid. But here CH3 will attack at the ortho and para position called as a orthomethyl methoxybenzene, paramethyl methoxybenzene. But here COCH3 attack at the ortho and para position, it will be called as a orthomethoxyacetophenone and it will be called as a paramethoxyacetophenone. Right beta? It is a minor, it is a major, it is a minor and it is a major product. Take a screenshot of this one. The last one we will see beta, Woods reaction. This is a very important reaction called as a Woods reaction. But this Woods reaction is used only to prepare the alkane containing even number of carbon. Right sir? Alkane containing what? Even number of carbon. So this is the last reaction, but the fourth one we are going to discuss now. The fourth one called as a WURTZ, Woods reaction. But it is a method used to prepare the alkane containing even number of carbon. How? See here, CH3I plus 2 moles of Na plus ICH3. Do you know CH3I is called as a what? So this is called as a methyl iodide. But CH3I it is also called as a what? So it is also called as a methyl iodide. And these both the methyl iodide beta heated with a sodium in presence of dry ether. In presence of what? Dry ether. Now these iodine and these two sodium goes off, CH3 attack with the CH3 and we got CH3 dash CH3 plus 2NaI. This CH3 is called as a what? Ethane. It will be called as a what beta? Ethane. Statement how to write? When methyl iodide reacts with sodium, Na means sodium in presence of dry ether, it gives ethane. Means beta it is a method to prepare the alkane containing even number of carbon. Right beta? All the four reactions over. Now once we will revise it, what we learn in this section. What we learn? First one is a esterification. See beta, first one is the esterification, means formation of ester. What we require sir? One is the acid, another one is the alcohol, and this one reaction take place in acidic medium. But what happen? OH from here, H from here goes off, CH3CO OC2H5. CH3CO and this O C2H5. As a ester we got remaining byproduct is a water molecule. Second one, what we did sir? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Is it clear beta? Yes sir. Beta in this Friedel-Crafts alkylation what we are using? We are using anisole. And it is reacting with what beta? Alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 called as a Lewis acid. Beta here this CH3 will attack at which position? Sir, it will attack either at the ortho position or it may attack at the para position. Right beta? Second one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. But here also we are using same anisole. And now it is treated with the acetyl chloride CH3COCl. But in this one, if you take out this part, CH3CO part, sir, it will attack at the ortho as well as it will attack at the para. But O, or we can say CO, CH3, and other case also benzene ring bearing OCH3, and here also we are having CH3. But ortho and para two product we got. And last one beta, Woods reaction. What is that? Methyl iodide CH3I plus CH3I, and in presence of 2 moles of sodium react in presence of dry ether, it gives rise to ethane C2H6 plus 2NaI. So these are the four reactions we have seen. So till now beta I remembered 4 organic name reaction part I have completed for you beta, and these all the 4 name organic part if you see, that means if you once again if you revise it and all, definitely in your IP exam you are going to get one question for the 8 marks and one question for the 4 marks, or one question compulsory you will get for 8 marks and one question you are getting for the 2 marks. Means maximum 8 plus 4 12 marks you are able to score, or minimum 8 plus 2 10 marks you are able to score from these 4 organic name reaction which one I did here in the class, right? Chalo beta. If you like my work and all, please share this my video as number as possible for the student, and it will be helpful for everyone, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.